if you're trying to solve a customer service problem and you say, I'm applying AI in a customer service, that's like a use case to your point. But if you change that and you say that I want a churn reduction specialist, so that becomes a usefulness. And therefore, so then what you're trying to do is that whatever you build, now you first of all, you've given it an identity that you are a specialist who is solving the churn reduction problem for me. Now go and identify 10% of potential customers who might churn, and then identify at least 1% of them strategy so that we can retain them, right? So you've given it a specific identity, a job, and an objective, right? So it becomes more useful as an technology or output of the technology from a usefulness standpoint, right? Now the part two is and why this is more important for this technology than other. I personally believe, and this is a question or debate I had with many people, that today also we look at this technology also like, hey, this we need to code it. We need to tell how to find an yes and a no answer. So we still treat it like deterministic programmatic problem. Whereas to take full advantage, we need to look at it as a goal-oriented or intent-driven technology. So I should be giving it a goal, put some steer, some safeguards, so that it doesn't go and create something completely random. But then if you give it a goal, an agency, then it'll give you broader perspective, like I described in my own personal example. And then using those larger patterns, you will be able to achieve things that you can't achieve otherwise.